today's video, we're going to be talking about how people expose themselves. So I'm just going to be talking while I get ready. And that's it. So, ooh, I look crazy. I still have not went back and made some of my twists smaller, but it is what it is at this point. So I'm gonna put it in a low ponytail, but just so this part can be like flat, but I'm gonna take that ponytail out when I put my cap on, so it won't be like fat back there. So I'm just gonna put this wig cap on that it already got makeup on it, so don't judge me, okay? And then I already said we're gonna be installing this pink wig that I got. I think I'm about to cut some bangs on it. Yeah. Okay, so now y'all see I don't want it to like be humped up, so I'm just gonna take this off right there, and then I'm gonna tuck my twist under. And I'm so sorry about my chair, y'all. I don't know if this thing needs to be turned up or if I just need to get a whole new chair, because it's mad annoying. So now my hair feels really flat. So this is just a little pink wig. I think I recorded myself dyeing this. I have a video on doing this little color, and I've just still had the wig ever since. I'm just running my straightener through it first, and then I'm gonna get to cutting the bangs. Okay, y'all, I look crazy, so I'm gonna just do this wig, cut the bangs and stuff y'all can watch, and then we'll come back for my commentary. This chair, don't stop tweaking. What I was trying to say is I look crazy. I'm gonna finish this wig, I'm gonna cut my bangs, y'all can watch that little quick part, and then I'm gonna come back for my commentary once I'm doing my makeup. Okay, y'all, so I'm just sectioning how big, well, how wide I want the bang to be. When you cut the hair, it's gonna flare out, so you don't want to make the section too wide. Okay, y'all, so when it comes to cutting bangs, it's not as hard as it may seem. Just start off longer. Do not just go in chopping at your hair. Just go in little by little and eyeball it. So you can cut it straight across like I did. And then after that, you're going to see how I hold the scissors vertically. Yeah, vertically. And I go in and start clipping at it. So y'all will see. Okay, y'all. So y'all see that was not hard at all, and it was very quick. Okay, y'all. So I took my wig off so I can do my makeup because it's gonna be in my way. So y'all just gonna be looking at this baldy head. Okay, so I am gonna be using today the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette because I'm just gonna do like the most, not the most simple eye look, but I'm gonna be using this brown in here called Mojo. And I think I'm going to use this shimmer shade called Power Cut. So, okay, so I'm going to be using this brown shade called Mojo, and then I'm going to be using Power Cut. So yeah, in today's video, we're talking about how people expose themselves. So there's this Bible verse, and it says, out of abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks. And y'all, if that's not true, I don't know what is. Hold up, because I got hair on my face. Let me go back to that first. Okay, y'all, so yeah, that is so true. Like, I'm a firm believer in actions speak louder than words. But with certain people, the words say it all, and you just have to pay attention. So yeah, y'all, like, most people, I didn't want to use this word for this video, but this is really what I'm talking about. Narcissistic people, or just like toxic people in general, but more so narcissists. They crave attention. They need it. They literally need it to survive. So they talk. They need attention. They just need energy off of other people. So they just run their mouth, run their mouth, run their mouth, run their mouth. And most of them, like, at least the covert narcissists, they are really calculated and dumb at the same time. Like, I think I'm getting ahead of myself though, so let me stay on one thing at a time. So first, they need attention, clearly. I mean, they're just, anyways. So yeah, y'all, they need attention. Like, they literally need it to survive. And so they just talk, but while they're talking, they are exposing themselves because the truth just comes out. Most of the time when they're talking to you, they're telling you lies and truths mixed together. But once you're just like, you just have to pay attention. Like, once you're paying attention, you're gonna see through everything. Like, and another thing I don't like is people who feel like they have to tell you what their character is. I hate that. I hate that, because your character is gonna speak for itself, like, period. And it's just that on that, like, how you treat people, what you do, you know, like, it's just gonna show for itself. So it's just like, you don't have to keep upping yourself and, you know, like, talking about who you are, what you do, and all this shit, y'all. Like, it's just like, they really trying to, I mean, all they do is lie to themselves. So they're trying to get you to believe their lies. It's just like, I want to use this example, but I don't want to, like, give you guys, like, too much, because, yeah, I don't want to give too much. But it's this person that I know, and they were on the phone with someone, telling them, oh, I'm not like this, and yada yada yada, and blah 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 blah. And y'all, and literally in that same breath, everything they just were saying that they weren't, this person told like 15 stories on how they are exactly what they said they weren't. And it comes from insecurity, because all narcissists are insecure. Like, they are. And so it's just like, while they're telling you what they're not, trying to convince you, because they be trying to convince themselves, and they be insecure, like I said, they just get to exposing themselves. And I'm just like, you're not making yourself, like, you're not selling it. You're not. It's just like, you cannot be consistent at all. And then they just be lying. This is the part where I'm like, the actions don't match up with the words. Because it's just like, how you just saying this, you saying that, you saying this, you saying that, and then everything else is the complete opposite. I'm talking about, y'all, I really think narcissists are stupid. I think they're so dumb. I mean, it might be some smart ones out here, but I'm just like, the covert narcissists, like I said, they're so calculated. But how are you calculated and stupid at the same time? Like, I swear there's just so many examples that I want to use, but I'm just like not about to go there. But I'm just like, oh my God, like, they don't understand that they literally drag themselves through the mud with the shit they say. Literally. And I just sit and I just listen to people lie. Because you're not lying to me. You're lying to yourself. Like I said, they're trying to convince themselves and trying to convince you of lies that they tell themselves daily. I thought this was brown, but this is looking like charcoal gray, almost black. But it's gonna be okay. But yeah, y'all, they literally drag themselves through the mud. And I'm just like, you so stupid. Like, how are you not noticing this? But you want to be so smart. This is really their biggest downfall, that they can't stop talking. You literally cannot stop talking to save your life. Can't stop talking, and then they can't keep up with a lie. So, because they're lying to so many people, because narcissists need a lot of people to keep them running. So it's just like, you just lying and talking to so many people, baby, you can't even keep your facts straight. Like, go get a notebook or something. Like, I just don't understand. Like, I don't understand. Be smarter. I mean, I'm not encouraging the behavior, but I just don't like dumb lies. It's like, if you're gonna lie to me, make it make sense. This just all, like, make it make sense. And make it make the fuck sense. That's all I be asking. Jeez Louise. Yeah, I just get tired of the dumb stuff, y'all. Like, I really do. I literally feel like that's it, y'all. They just be lying. They just talk too fucking much. Like, if you really just shut up. But every time they talk, it just be bullshit. I'm just like, it's just, oh my God. It's bullshit. Even older people. It's just like, how are you 50, 60, 40 years old and you just don't know anything? That's why I don't listen to nobody, because what? People are crazy. But my thing is, if you haven't watched my last video about the movie Gaslight, make sure y'all go watch that, and make sure y'all do your own research too, because that's really where, like, you're gonna get it. Because I swear, y'all, it be, and I also talked about this too in my video about the weird coworkers. People, I swear, like, people would do the smallest things. They would call you a name or do something like that and just act like it's a joke. It's not. Like, they really be exposing themselves. Those insecurities, they can't deal with those. They can't.